Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to show you my most recent painting. I've been working on animals and, all kinds of pretty stuff, planets and bees and things like that, and putting them all together in a pretty painting. And I really like this one. I love how it came out. There was so many happy accidents. But if you want to learn to paint and art with me in Italy, go join the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program. I could not paint my way out of a paper bag until I joined that program, and now I'm actually making paintings, which to me is unbelievable. Now, it started with acrylics and alcohol inks and things like that, and then I finished it off in oils. The zebras are oils, and all the flowers and the pretty girl is oils as well. So I'm just having a blast with this program, and I think you will too. There's a link in the details to go and sign up for the course, and you can sign up for my Facebook group, Chris's Artist Friends, if you're interested. And if we get enough people, maybe someday soon we can have an event where everybody comes over and we sit around painting. I think that would be so much fun. See you guys.